Hi, everyone, and welcome back. It's great to see everybody again. Thanks to all the subscribers, and if this is your first video or you're new to the channel, I'm Frank, an almost 3-year-old Great Pyrenees virtual therapy dog. And if you can't have a dog and you want a dog, I'm the dog for you. This week's video is mostly about birds. And you might wonder why, if it's about birds, we're looking at fish. Well, watch to the end to find out. Dad stuck the camera underwater to show that all these thousands and thousands of fish, that's kind of what's in the water right now. Pretty amazing. There sure is a lot of them. See great big areas when you're walking down the dock. You look off the dock and you just see tons and tons and tons of little tiny fish. But, okay. And the new ice plant's coming right along. There's a cute little guy. Yeah, sometimes I make birds nervous. And there's always lots of seagulls around. And it's that time of year when there's lots and lots of babies around. Those seagulls there are actually baby seagulls. They're just a few months old. They're all getting their new feathers in, and there's one that's a little bit older, and the one laying down is all full growed. There's another one that's a little older but still young. And another one all full grown up. Takes them, I think Dad said it was almost a year before they have to be like a year old before they get all their permanent feathers. Kind of like me. If you look at videos of me when I was a puppy, I had brown spots. I had brown ears and a brown splotch across my butt. And all that's kind of gone. My ears are kind of turning a little bit brown again, but they're getting more black in them too. So, kind of like the seagulls, I haven't quite finished changing colors yet, I don't think. And here's a baby seal. We're talking with a friend who says that baby seal's been there for hanging out over there since it was just tiny. Mom's a little bit nervous because I'm watching them, but I don't want to hurt them. I'm just kind of a little bit curious. I've seen them in the water, but I've never seen them on the dock like that. Dad says you have to leave baby seals on the dock because sometimes Mom will leave them there and go get food and then come back. So even if they look like they're all there all by themselves, they're not. They're perfectly safe. And birds everywhere. You see that diving bird dive? I think it might have thought that seagull was coming to get it. Or maybe it just saw something to eat. Anyway, this is, just kind of on the side of the boat basin where I live. The Cormorants have kind of taken over the trees there for making nests. They're kind of a ways up there, and this is all. Dad's just got the camera in his hands. He doesn't have a tripod with him, so. But, yeah, all those. Oh, wait. Crab boat. They're kind of like squirrels. Kind of grab your attention because they look pretty cool. That one's bringing in all the crab pots. They're kind of done for this year. Okay. Anyway, back to the birds. What this video is supposed to be about. Anyway, great big cormorant diving birds, and they nest in trees. Who'd have thunk? See if you can get a close-up, Dad. Some of the nests. There you go. Oh, those two look like they might like each other quite a bit. Little cuddle time. And if you wonder where the cormorants are getting all the sticks to make those nests, look at the trees. Yeah, there they are, working away at a nest. And it looks like they had to fly all the sticks out for that. Those nests. Oh, and this is over at the shipyard. Those were cormorants, and these are egrets and great blue herons. The white ones are the egrets, and they seem to have taken over those trees. Kind of funny. Big long-legged birds that stand there and grab fish out of the water. They stand in the shallows on great big long legs. And that answers the question from the beginning of the video. That's what all the babies eat, is all those thousands of fish. That's why there's thousands of fish and not a whole lot of birds. And when we zoom out, you'll see why the footage is a little shaky. I do want to thank everybody for watching this week's video, and we'll be back with a new episode next week. Probably working on Franklin Manor again. So, please, if you like the video, click the thumbs up, like button. Subscribe if you want to see more, and share with anybody you know who wants a dog and can't have one right now. Till next week, cheers.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my videos, stick upon the thumbs up button. And for the newest, go ahead and paw that subscribe button. Thanks again. Cheers.